Adrian Newey, Formula One's aerodynamic maestro, partnered with Aston Martin to craft a road-legal hypercar. The Aston Martin Valkyrie, a testament to their ambition, promised to redefine performance. This wasn't just another supercar, it was a Formula One car in disguise. Newey's fingerprints were all over the Valkyrie. His pursuit of aerodynamic efficiency was evident in the car's radical design. The Valkyrie was a study in functional beauty. From the outset, the Valkyrie was destined for greatness. It represented the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Its creation was a testament to the power of collaboration. The automotive world held its breath, eager to witness the dawn of a new era. The Valkyrie, a winged beast, was ready to take flight. The Silverstone circuit, a proving ground for motorsport legends, became the Valkyrie's playground. Here, the hypercar stretched its legs, its naturally aspirated V12 engine roaring through the Northamptonshire countryside. Lap times tumbled, cementing the Valkyrie's status as a track weapon. But the Valkyrie's ambitions extended beyond the racetrack. Its creators envisioned a car that could transition seamlessly from the circuit to public roads. This presented a unique challenge, to retain the car's raw performance while ensuring a degree of civility for everyday driving. The Valkyrie's suspension, a work of engineering art, had to strike a delicate balance. It needed to be stiff enough to handle the car's immense downforce, yet compliant enough to absorb the imperfections of public roads. This duality was crucial to the Valkyrie's success as a dual-purpose machine. Could the Valkyrie truly tame its track-focused nature and embrace the realities of the real world? The answer, it turned out, was a resounding yes. A symphony of speed and sound, the Valkyrie's road presence. The Valkyrie's presence on public roads was nothing short of breathtaking. Its low-slung profile, aggressive stance, and intricate aerodynamic elements turned heads wherever it went. This was not a car designed to blend in, it was a rolling testament to automotive artistry. The car's naturally aspirated V12 engine, a masterpiece of engineering, produced a symphony of sound. Its roar, a blend of mechanical fury and high-pitched screams, was music to the ears of any petrolhead. This was a sound that could only come from a car built without compromise. Driving the Valkyrie was an immersive experience. The car felt alive beneath you, its responses immediate and precise. The steering, razor-sharp and perfectly weighted, provided an unparalleled connection to the road. The Valkyrie wasn't just about outright speed, it was about the purity of the driving experience. It was a car that engaged all your senses, a visceral and unforgettable thrill ride. Section 4. Designed for the gods of speed, technical prowess unleashed. The Valkyrie's technical specifications were a testament to its track-focused DNA. Its naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12 engine, developed in conjunction with Cosworth, produced a staggering 1,000 horsepower. This power plant, a masterpiece of engineering, revved to a screaming 11,100 RPM. The Valkyrie's lightweight construction was equally impressive. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a testament to Aston Martin's expertise in composite materials, contributed to the car's incredibly low curb weight. This focus on weight saving was crucial to achieving the car's exceptional power-to-weight ratio. The Valkyrie's aerodynamic performance was another area where it truly excelled. Its intricate bodywork, sculpted by Adrian Newey himself, generated massive amounts of downforce, gluing the car to the road at high speeds. This aerodynamic efficiency was a key factor in the Valkyrie's blistering track performance. The Valkyrie's technical prowess was undeniable. It was a car designed and built without compromise, a true testament to the limits of automotive engineering. Section 5. A drive to remember. Driving the Valkyrie was an experience unlike any other. It demanded your full attention, rewarding you with a level of performance that bordered on the surreal. The car felt incredibly alive, its responses immediate and precise. The steering was razor-sharp, providing an unparalleled connection to the road. Every input was met with an instant reaction, the car pivoting effortlessly around corners. The brakes, immense in their stopping power, inspired confidence, allowing you to push the car to its limits. The Valkyrie wasn't just about outright speed, it was about the purity of the driving experience. It was a car that engaged all your senses, a symphony of sound, speed, and G-forces. The roar of the V12 engine, the wind rushing past the cockpit, the feeling of the car clinging to the tarmac, it was an intoxicating cocktail of adrenaline and pure driving pleasure. This was a car that etched memories into your mind, memories that would last a lifetime. The Valkyrie's enduring legacy. The Aston Martin Valkyrie stands as a testament to what's possible when innovation meets ambition. It's a car that has redefined the boundaries of performance. Beyond its technical achievements, the Valkyrie represents something more profound. It's a symbol of the unyielding pursuit of excellence. The Valkyrie's legacy will inspire a new generation of engineers and enthusiasts. The Valkyrie's impact on the automotive landscape is undeniable. It has raised the bar for hypercar performance, a true icon of speed and innovation.